Idol. And Abella, 4 on 2. Floater, bakit? Abella, Yumol. Fire sa 3. Bang! Danis! Tumutuano. Melencio, between the legs. Stop, pull up J. Melencio, bakit? Sales for 3. Nugget. Rebound, Batino, reverse layup. Bakit? Batino. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Cup. And is Destacamento corner pass, open look for 3. Bang! First Neri. 3 on 3 ang laban. Side step. Lost the ball. Fakes. Kicks out. Yumol. To the middle. Bringas. Corner. Gonzales for 3. Bang! Abella pass to Melencio. Pass to Mutuano. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bullseye. Recover the ball. Pass to Gonzales, the floater. No good. Rebound para sa team San Isidro. And the pass to Melencio. Melencio stops. Pass to number 19 for 3. Bang! Triple! Yumol. Pass to Bringas. Bringas to Yumol. Yumol. Fire sa 3. Bang! Danis! Melencio. Pass to number 19 to Melencio. Inside pass. The big man fakes. Established. Whoa! Oh! Rebound Bringas. In Harry now. The bounce pass to Yumol. Yumol attacking the defense. The fires of the window. Manny. Melencio at the top. He stop. Inside pass. Pass to Mutuano. The volley. In and out. Recover. Posting up. Fakes. Fires inside. No good. Batino the rebound. To Bringas, high pass. Gonzales will attack. Side step plays. Oh! Spectacular move. And Melencio, number 19 again for 3. Won't go. Yumol. Gonzales. Pass to the middle. Natapikan. Banyes. Yumol left alone for 3. Bang! From the Melencio. Set the play. At the top right now. Hook pass. Mutuano. Picks. Clutch fire. Bullseye. Mutuano. Slowly dribbling the ball. He stop at the logo. Passes to Gonzales. Pass back Bringas. He spins. He dribble to Gonzales. He attacks. The side step. The water shot. Not good. Rebound. Melencio pass break. And nauna na. Lace. Yes sir. Bucket for 2. Melencio. Inside pass. Fires Abella, fires soon. Melencio goes inside, pass, straight space, falling away, bullseye, and cross the mid lane. He stops, pass to Bringas. Bringas against Abella, goes to the screen. 7 seconds shoot to the middle, Banyes for 3, bang, nothing. Melencio, 1 minute 50 seconds left. To Abella. Abella will dribble. He pass. Mutuano. Bullseye. Mutuano. To Yumol. Yumol now at the top. Against Tumbaga. Yumol. Goes to the screen. Pass to Banyes. Open to the middle. Pull up J. No good. Rebound Melencio. Pass break. And here's Lace. Bucket. Melencio. Melencio stops to the middle. Mutuano. He bumps. He dribble. He spins. He lays. Negative. Rebound. Melencio setting the play. 27 seconds on the game clock. Stops. Pull up J. Bullseye. Melencio. Gonzales. Gonzales. He dribble. He attacks. Mutuano. Inside pass, Halio pass, Batino. Melencio, that's Calso to Gonzales. Gonzales at the top, he goes to the screen. Pull up jumper at the free throw, bucket, that's rebound pass break. And now na si Melencio, binit-bit, lace, easy to Melencio. Pass to Gonzales to Elpa. To Bacalso. Gonzalez goes to the baseline. Inside pass. Corner. Elpa. Cross pass. Deep three. Una good. Melencio. Stop for three. Bang! Melencio. At the top. Pass to Gonzalez to Elpa. Side step. Corner. And picks. Bump. Spins to the middle. Stolen. Akaasi. Melencio. Stops. Bounce pass. Abella. Attacking the defense. Inside pass. Kaasi. Sinausaw. Reverse layup. Elpa at the top. Elpa. Crossover move. Goes inside. Kicks out. Gonzalez will drive. Pull up jumper. Bucket. The lucky ball. Melencio behind the back dribble. Behind the back again. Melencio. Abella attacks. Goes inside to the corner. Rejected by Batino. Kaldag. Bangga. Open. Gonzalez si pass. Back also to the middle. Floater. Batino. Ipas. Picks. Clutch. Kaasi. Bucket. Kaasi. Calso. Inside step. Inside pass. One bump. To the middle. Spins. Batino. Hook shot. Bucket. Batino. Melencio. Spins. Pass. And to the middle, Kaasi. 4-3. Tumbaga. Back. And dribbling the ball. Pass. Gonzalez 4-3. Nugget. Rebound. Batino. Reverse layup. Bucket. Batino. Gas. Pass. Yumol. And Pilor. Drives. Lays. Bucket. Pilor. For the backdoor inbound. Utinar sa likod. Bucket. Ang gandang play naman. And here's Gonzalez. Bringas. Pass to Gonzalez. Attacks. Crossover. Floater. Bucket. Gonzalez. And Yumol. Yumol crossover between the legs. High pass. Bringas. Bounce pass. Gonzalez. Cross pass. Bringas. Inside pass. And pass. Gitna. Bucket. Pilon. The pass. 4-3. Bang. Dribble. And Bringas here. Behind the back dribble. Gonzalez to Bringas. Yumol inside pass. Ball is stolen. And Melencio. Melencio bounce pass. Kaasi. Sinausaw. Pass to Gonzalez. Pass to Bringas. Yumol. Yumol attacks. Pass to Bringas. Corner. Gonzalez pull. Floater shot. Bucket. Gonzalez attacking the defense. Bounce pass. Rejected. Grabe ka. Woo! Supal-pal. And here's Abella Tumutuano. Melencio between the legs. Stop, pull up J. Melencio, bucket. Bringas. Gonzalez. Goes to the screen. Between the legs. Inside pass, Pilor. Reverse layup, no good. Pilor. Fast. Rejected again. Ang tibay mo. And the pass. Uy. Pass break. And Batino inside pass. Pilor. Fars. Too strong. Pilor pa rin. Bucket. Pilor. Abella. To Melencio. Garcia. Against Bringas. Melencio against Bringas. Spins. Inside Tumutuano. Natapikan. Recover. Falling away. Short. Rebound putback. Oh! Nakashoot pa. Sumayaw pa. Gonzalez long pass. Banyes. Bucket. Banyes. Melencio. Pass to Tumbaga. To Melencio. Melencio goes to the screen. Attacks. Tumutuano. Attack. Side step lays. Nugget. Tips in. Motino. Gonzalez in hurry. Attacks against Melencio. Pinasa. Bringas rejected again. Again po. Gonzalez to the hoops. Lays. Yes sir. Melencio. 4-3. Bang! Dani! Elpa at the top. Pass to Gonzales. To Banyes to Gonzales for 3. No good. Rebound by Destacamento. And the pass. And here's Tumbaga. And dakdak! Lace Bakit! Destacamento. Elpa set the play. Di distansya. Benyes. Inside pass. The best layup. Batino. Pass to Tumbaga. Spins. High pass. Abella to the middle. Kaasi pull up J. Bakit? Kaas. Abella attacks. Bump. Pinasa sa kalaban. Gonzales. 2-on-1. Libreng-libra. Elpa. Easy 2. Down to 8. Melencio setting the play. Pass to the middle. Kaasi. Corner. Tumbaga attacks. Sidestep. Pinasa Mutuano. Sinausaw. And Gonzales. Gonzales crossover. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Pilor. Bakit? Pilor. That's the end. Gonzales inbounding pass to Bringas to Gonzales. Gonzales. Pass to Yumol to Gonzales. Goes to the screen. Open look for 3. Won't go. Revon Pilor. Takes clutch. Bakit? Pilor. Pass to Mutuano drives. Inside pass. Naagaw. Pilor. Gonzales. Side step up. Sumigway. Side step. Floater. Bakit? Ang ganda namang. Bacunyo. 5-point lead now. Bounce pass. Stolen. And the pass. Oh, nagawa. No, tumambling sa idol. And Abella. 4-on-2. I-pass. Floater. Bakit? Abella. Melencio. Pass to Mutuano. Fix. Mutuano bump. Kicks out. To Melencio for 3. Bang! Natin. Pass to Gonzales. Pass to Bringas. Open. Attacks. Bounce pass. Yumol for 3. Bang! And down to 7-point lead. Melencio against Bringas. Mutuano. Babella attacks to the middle. Mutuano. Bakit? Mutuano. And Bringas to Yumol. Goes inside. Floater. Nugget. Rebound. Melencio. Melencio. Crossover against Gonzales. Natap. A pass. And 3. Bang! The inbound. Gonzales need the ball. Goes to the screen. 4-3. Short. Rebound Batino. Kicks out. Elpa attacks. Inside Lee. Subanyes. Melencio. Stops. Pass to Mutuano to Melencio. Melencio. Looking for the clock. Wasting the clock. Goes to the screen. Open look for 3. Bam! Gonzales. Bounce pass. Batino. Uyumol for 3. Bang! 21-66. 5-point lead. Destacamento with the ball. Against Banyes. Goes to the middle. Pass to Mutuano. To Melencio. Melencio goes inside. Floater. Bakit and 1? Congratulations, Team San Isidro.